It's 2026 and you guys are looking to buy a new construction house without spending an arm and a leg here in a private part of Northport. In this video, we're going to be walking you through this brand new construction house that just hit the market here in a quiet area of Northport for a great price of only $370,000. This house that we're going to be looking at is a 3-bed, 2-bath, just under 2,000 square foot house, which basically puts this house at about $187 a square foot, which is a great price for new construction. If you guys don't know anything about me, my name is Noah. I'm a residential real estate broker here in Sarasota County, and I do own a custom home building company, J Development Group, where we walk you guys through what it's like to build a house here in Southwest Florida, because a lot of you guys are moving from Massachusetts, Virginia, the East Coast, the Midwest, possibly some even in California, and you guys really want a great idea of what it takes to build a house here in Florida, or you guys are just looking to buy a move-in ready house at a great price that, you know, builders are offloading inventory currently that have been building spec houses here in 26, so that you guys get a great price versus going out, finding a builder, and then building a house. And this is kind of what our channel is all about, is teaching you guys all about the new construction world from a brokerage perspective and a new construction perspective. So if you guys are interested in finding a new construction house that's already been built, you guys can reach out to me and my real estate team with our contact information down below. But if you guys are looking to build a house, we build custom houses anywhere from $500,000 all the way up to about $5 million. So we really cater to a lot of you guys that are looking at building, you know, anything within your price range. We pretty much can accommodate. So if you guys want to sit down with Josh and I, who's the registered GC for our company, we can walk you guys through exactly what it takes to build a new construction house here in Sarasota County. So with all that being said, let's flip this camera around. Let's go show you guys through, walk you guys through what $370,000 buys you here in Northport, Florida. All right, so now that we're here at the exterior of the house, what you will see is that this spans across the entire property here. It is more wide than it is deep, which is nice. It gives more of a grander appearance. You have a 2-car garage. You have a covered lanai here in the front. And right when you walk into this house, you are greeted with the open concept floor plan with the living room. You have the coffered ceiling. You have an open concept kitchen right here. You have a very nice size laundry room with a laundry sink, which I know a lot of you absolutely love. And then not only do you have the open concept kitchen with a lot of cabinetry, you have a walk-in pantry there, you have a large island, but you also have a very large dining area. So this would fit a very nice size table, not just like a little dining nook. And then this is a split floor plan here. So you have 2 guest bedrooms on one side of the house, very nice in size, about 11 by 12s, 11 by 11, somewhere in that ballpark. You have built-in closets in each of these bedrooms. And then over here we have guest bedroom number 2, which is a little bit larger. I want to say it's a little over a 12 by 13 on that one overall. And then right here, you can see similar concept as the other bedroom. And then in between these 2 guest bedrooms, we have the guest bathroom. So the guests would share this bathroom. Over here, we're going back over to guest bedroom 1. It's just how we recorded this, but this is going to be the guest bedroom over here. You see that you have tub to ceiling tile, which is nice. You have a nice transom window up above to let in a lot of natural light. And now we're going to be going to the main showcase of the house, which is going to be the large primary suite. So what I love about this house is that overall, no matter what room you are in, you have tons of natural light. You see you have a transom window here over in the primary, and you have a nice size bedroom, perfect for a king size bed. You have his and her closets, so you don't just have a small closet. You have very nice size closets, which I would do built-in cabinets and shelving, so you maximize the closet space here. And then in the far back, we are going to have the primary bathroom. So here you have a dual sink vanity. I would personally rip those vanities out and put one vanity all the way across. Just makes it look a little bit more grand. But what I love about this is that you have not only one shower head, but you have 2 shower heads here, which is fantastic, with 2 body sprayers. I think it just makes for a more grander appearance. And what I like is that you don't have to walk through the bathroom to get to the closets, because that's a big thing for a lot of people. And then we're going to go out here to the outdoor lanai, which I think you guys will find very attractive attractive because it has a very large covered lanai, which is absolutely amazing. You can screen it in, do an outdoor kitchen, do entertaining. You can add a nice sized pool back here, which I think is absolutely amazing. Plus it's very private. You have, you know, a house on the other side, but it's far away. And then you have your own basically vacant land on the other side for extra privacy. So as you guys can see here, there is plenty of room to build a pool here in this backyard. You're building on a 1/4 acre here, which is your standard 10,000 square foot lot here in Northport. Here you have a lanai where you can fully enclose it with a screen, or you can go through and build a pool cage that would go all the way over here. It's really up to you, personal preference. Now I want to get your guys' take now that we're at the end of this video. What do you guys think of this house overall? Where do you guys think of it in location, relativity to all across Northport? What I like about this house is that you are in a quiet neighborhood. I have not had any cars drive by. I've been here for 20 minutes now. No cars have driven by here on this property. So it's super quiet, super peaceful, super relaxing. And that's all honestly what you get in most of Northport over here. So if you guys have questions, you guys want to know more information about this house, and you guys want to possibly look to relocate to Northport, and you guys want a team that knows new construction like the back of their hand. I mean, I do own a custom home building company where we can walk you through, answer any questions you guys want about new construction. You guys can reach out to me and my real estate team with our contact information down below. But with all that being said, we appreciate you checking out this video, and we'll catch you guys next week.